Today's poles are incredibly lightweight, yet strong enough to absorb the vaulter's energy, then throw it back to propel him over the bar. Some poles are made of carbon fiber, others out of this material, resin impregnated fiberglass. The first step is to spread out the material and cut out the pole pattern. Meanwhile, a sliter machine cut is the same material into strips of a specific width, then it winds each strip into its own roll. This spiral wrap machine automatically unravels this strip and wraps it around a hollow steel tube called a mandrel. This first layer of fiberglass gives the pole its flexibility. They wrap a second layer in the opposite direction. For the next layers, they remove the mandrel and lay it on a table. Now it's time for those fiberglass patterns they cut earlier. They heat the edge of the first on with in iron. Melting the resin in the fiberglass until it's tacky, they stick this edge to the mandrel, then slide the other end between heated rollers. The rollers wrap the rest of the material around the mandrel. The heat activating the resin in the process, the mandrel and its multilayer fiberglass quad. Now go into an oven. The heat generated by steam starts at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This liquefies the resin so that it saturates the fiberglass. Then the temperature gradually rises to nearly 300 degrees, solidifying the resin again, curing it, and when it finishes, a pole extractor slides the mandrel out of what is now a fiberglass pole. The pole moves into a fleximation in part. This is a stress test. If there is any type of defect, the pole will crack or break, but the flexor also permanently butts a specific degree of curve in the pole which helps the athlete vault higher. Now they make what is called the soft side mesh. This helps the pole vaulter locate the bend in order to know where to grip the pole. Next they apply a maximum weight label indicating how heavy the vaulter can be. To finish the surface now, they mount the pole on a spindle, run a polishing pot over it. Then using a solvent, they clean off the debris. Now that the surface is pristine, they wrap it in lightweight tape. Different colored tapes designed different pole styles. They kept the top of the pole with plastic, then at the bottom, molded on a molded tip made of hard rubber. The finishing touch is the manufacturer's decal. Vaulting poles came in various lengths between 10 and 16 feet. A pole designed for a heavier vaulter has to be stiffer than one designed for a lighter vaulter, because the pole has to propel more weight with the same degree of bending.